We are pleased to show you the 2013 Odyssey. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, front stabilizer bar, front wheel drive, compact spare tire, brake assist, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find cruise control, cargo area light, child-proof rear door locks. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features, a must for all families. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.